Short term, it's very difficult to forecast. What provides us with excitement lies further ahead into the future. And this is where I think Japan is incredibly exciting, because there are a lot of structural growth opportunities that are probably more unique to the Japanese market than elsewhere. Two examples I would provide would be automation. Japan continues to lead globally in industrial robots. And there are a lot of trends which are accelerating their adoption, be it reshoring, wage inflation in Japan, but elsewhere around the world, and the improving application of robotic tools that sees them being used far broader beyond the traditional application within the auto sector. And then the other I would give would be digitalization within e-commerce, software as a service, cashless payments, and a whole host of other areas, which remain in their infancy in Japan versus elsewhere in the world. And one example, just to illustrate that, would be cashless payments. So in Japan, cash is still king. It still accounts for about 70% of transactions thereabouts, which is the polar opposite of the UK and most other developed markets. And there are a lot of companies at the forefront that are capitalizing on that. One being LY Corp, which is behind PayPay, Japan's fastest growing QR payment provider. So there are so many companies there that are benefiting from that nascency, from those low penetration rates, which means there's a lot longer, a far longer run rate of growth opportunity available to some of these companies than there would be to some of their Western peers. That's what makes us incredibly excited for what the growth holds. In addition to all of those structural growth opportunities, as discussed in a previous question, a lot of these companies are now trading at little to no premium to the market, which makes the upside case even more attractive.